Everybody, it's Dan. Name of my channel is Numerical Lion, and where I use gematria to reveal the false reality in which we live in, this reality of fantasy, you know, and stories that are imitated on the silver screen and vice versa. You don't know what reality is and what fantasy is, and you'll see what I mean by this article in CNN. This appeared on November 16th. Two Arkansas chemistry professors arrested for allegedly making meth. Right? Here are the pictures of the two. So, two Arkansas chemistry professors have been arrested and accused of making methamphetamine, according to the Clark County Sheriff's Department. And no, neither of them is named Walter White. And who is Walter White? Well, talking about Breaking Bad, right? Walter White had cancer and was a chemistry teacher, decided to make meth. This was a series that ran in 2008 for 5 years, almost 5 years, over 5 years. So they're comparing this story, and I emphasize the word story, with another story of Breaking Bad. Two stories. One everybody knows is not true, Breaking Bad, and this one, if you followed my work or other people in this in the gematria community, you know that these are stories. These are made up. Most of them are made up. So anyway, let's get into it here. So Terry David Bateman, 45, and Bradley Allen Rowland, who's 40, both associate professors of chemistry at Henderson State University in Arkadelphia, Arkansas, were taken into custody Friday afternoon, the Sheriff's Department said in a news release. They face charges of manufacturing methamphetamine and using drug paraphernalia. So, a university science center was closed October 8th after someone reported a chemical odor. Tina Hall, the university's associate vice president of marketing and communications, said in a statement. So, let's look at the decode. You can see the parallels, though, between this and, Breaking Bad. And I'll show you what's going on here. So they are arrested on the 15th, a day, 319th day, 46 left. And, right away, one of the guys who was arrested and methamphetamine, God, why is that so hard for me to say? So equals 74. How do you spell that again? Got like a real block on this word. I'm not sure why. Anyway, so 74 and 70. And they're comparing this to Breaking Bad. The fictional TV thing, that's also 74 and 47. I'll show you why that's interesting, because the star of Breaking Bad, Bryan Cranston, born March 7th, 1956. Here it is. It's 47 days until his upcoming birthday. The film was released 47 days before his birthday. The film was released on January 20th. His birthday on 3/7. 47 days. Breaking Bad, 47. See that? Also 70. So 70 also has a link with methamphetamine. What else can we say about this? Well, it happened in Arkadelphia. Arkadelphia 211. 211 is the 47th prime number. See there? And 211, the 47th prime. That's why that's significant. was on a day with 47 numerology is when this was uh, 26, 45. Oh, it was 47 days left in the year. That's when it was announced, I think. No, it wasn't. My bad. It wasn't. Pay no mind to that. That. So also I noticed that if you just say two chemistry professors, that equals 187, and Bryan Cranston equals 187. Two Arkansas chemistry professors, 187. Bryan Cranston, 187. Interesting coincidence there. Arkadelphia, Arkansas. Scottish Rite. Also meth lab. If you write out meth lab equals 38. Happened on a day with 38 numerology. 11 plus 15 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 is 38. Happened on a day with 38 numerology. Arkadelphia, Arkansas, 71. 71, the 20th prime number. Show you that in a second. 71, the 20th prime number. Also, if you just write out meth, especially since I can't say the other thing, meth equals 17, like Arkadelphia, Arkansas, 170, reflection of 71, also 46. Happened on a day with 46 numerology. At least the news broke on a day with 46 numerology. It happened on November 16th. 11 plus 16 is 27 plus 19 is 46. And we're talking about meth, right? So that pretty much is it. Also, I wanted to tell you that from this news story to Cranston's next birthday is 113 days, and 113 is this number of deception. Also, 3 months and 3 weeks, or 33. They like to get their 33 in there. This is about drugs. You know, drugs. Drugs is 33 with the S exception. Or S is 10. Drugs 33, happened 3 weeks, 3 months and 3 weeks before his next birthday. 113, that number of deception, the number of fiction, right? What is a line between fact and fiction? Fiction 113, dishonest, a bunch of deceptive words, equal 113, 113, dishonest. This is from the mainstream, and spelled correctly, equals 113 as well. Also bullshit, stories bullshit. 113, comparing a story to a fictional character is mocking. That's what it's going on. They're mocking you. It's a story. Story, another 33. Or stories. Stories is 33. There we go. More stories. That's what this is. Breaking Bad. He had cancer. Is it lung cancer? Ow. So I could get into more of it. Oh, so from October 8th. So one more thing to discuss. So the lab, someone smelled the odor on October 8th. So let's go and I'll show you the significance. And then they're arrested on the 15th. 38 days on a day with 38 numerology. Meth lab equals 38. Accused of having a meth lab. Also 1 month, 17 days. Meth 17. So if you look at the article, the fire, they were So October 8th. It's closed October 8th after someone reported a chemical odor. So that's when it happened, October 8th. So just more news by the numbers, and just, the line between reality and fantasy is thin, very thin. There he is. There's Bryan Cranston. So thanks so much for watching, taking time out of your day. My name is Numerical Lion. Please spread this knowledge of gematria or gematria, however you want to pronounce it. Either way, it's the numerical code. It's the numerical rituals that the elite use every single day in everything. So thank you so much for your support. Talk to you later.